Hello, fifth graders. So I'm going to go over the 3 questions that were on the Google form after your ed puzzle from yesterday. So we talked about order of operations, and that was a brand new topic, but I just wanted to see how you guys would do. We're going to stick with order of operations for a few more days, so don't worry, we're not going to just move on to the next thing just yet. So the first problem was 2 times 9 minus 12 plus 4. So if I'm looking at this problem, I'm going to write the order of operations on the side so I can look at those the whole entire time. Okay? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division in the same step, left to right, addition and subtraction, left to right. All right? So I'm looking at this right now, and I see the parentheses are first. So I'm going to do those first. And how I like to do it, again, I did this yesterday. I draw a little caret. So my answer is 12 plus 4. Well, that's 16. Now, I'm going to let you know right now, I said this yesterday, please, I'm going to say, write the whole entire expression that you have now. So the remaining expression that we haven't done yet is 2 times 9 minus, and then we just said 12 plus 4 is 16. So now we're left with this. So now, looking at my order of operations, I have multiplication and I have subtraction. Well, I'm going to do the multiplication first, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So 9 times 2 is 18. And again, I'm going to bring down anything I haven't done yet. So 18 minus 16. 18 minus 16. And your answer for that first problem is 2. All right, so let's do the next one. Next one was 8 times parentheses 3 plus 2 minus 6. So again, the first thing I see are those parentheses. That is the first step of order of operations. So I'm going to draw my little caret. 3 plus 2, well, it's 5. And everything I haven't done yet, so the 8 times the minus 6, I'm going to bring straight down. So we have 8 times 5 minus 6. And now this is my expression. And if you look, every single time it's getting smaller. You don't stop until you have one single answer. All right, so now I look, I have multiplication, I have subtraction. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So I'm going to do 8 times 5 first. All right, and 8 times 5 is 40. And bring down what I haven't done yet, 40 minus 6. So 40 minus 6 is 34. And 34 is our answer. And again, I talked about this yesterday. When you're done your work, it should look like a slice of pizza. All right? Perfect work looks like a slice of pizza. And let's do that very last problem on the Google form from yesterday. So it was 3 divided by 9 minus 6 plus 4 times 2. Now, there's a lot of stuff going on in this, but if you take it step by step, it's really not too bad. So again, I see parentheses first. So that's the first thing I'm doing. So 9 minus 6. Well, 9 minus 6 is 3. And then everything I haven't touched yet, I bring straight down. I rewrite the expression. So 3 divided by 3 plus 4 times 2. So I see division, addition, and multiplication. Well, addition's down here, so I know I'm going to hold off on that. I see division and multiplication. Whenever you have division and multiplication, you always do them left to right. So I'm going to focus on the division, and then I'll do the multiplication. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Bring down everything we haven't used yet. 1 plus 4 times 2. Again, addition and multiplication, going to do the multiplication first. So 4 times 2 is 8. Bring down everything you haven't used yet. 1 plus, so 1 plus 8, our answer is 9. All right, so the answer to that problem is 9. And again, if I draw, it looks like a nice looking slice of pizza. All right, so those are the 3 answers to the problems from the Google form on yesterday and how to complete those answers.